Hello, this is a video of my Chamberlain garage door system. So as you can see, it says Chamberlain, it's MYQ, and Wi-Fi. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, and it is a blue color. And what's cool about it is that since it's Wi-Fi, you can open the garage and close the garage from your phone. It's pretty cool, right? So yeah. So now I'll show you what this Chamberlain garage door opener looks like. Yep. So as you can see, here's this light, got this button that opens and closes the garage, learn and lock, and then the light. So yeah, and then this is the cover that opens and closes. So yeah. Now if I press the light button, the light turns on. If I press it again, it turns off. Now I'll let you see it again without me pressing the button. I'll let you see it turn on and turn off. So yeah, let's keep it on, so that way I can show you the rest of the system. So this right here is a garage door sensor. You see, that's what, if it detects motion, this will turn on, except it's already on, but it'll stay on. Let's turn that off. Now I'll give you a little demonstration. So, press it, and it'll open. So yeah. Now again, to close it. So yeah, now let's turn off the light to save energy. Alright, anyways guys, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.